So today I'm going to give you like a brief introduction to Trivago. So Trivago is a German technology company founded in Düsseldorf in 2005. It works as a automated search platform, meaning it doesn't sell room directly. Instead, it compares like prices and deals from different online book cities and hotel chains and independent hotels all in one place. So right now, Trivago it operates in more than 190 countries and covers like a 2.5 millions of properties. Its business model is based on cost per click, so it's earn revenue when a user clicks on a listed like deal. Apart of these services, like Trivago has like additional services. The first one is the one that is Business Studio. So this one consists which helps hotels improve like their online presence by adding details, property information, unique features, and tracking like performance. The other tool is Rate Connect, which allows independent hotels to display their own direct like rates. So alongside offer from booking cities, giving troubles that the options to book directly with the hotel.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to dive into the different digital communication processes of Trivago. At its core, Trivago's function is simple. It aggregates wholesale prices from countless booking websites to simplify our traveling. That's why this is a fantastic example of a digital communication system. First, let's look at the type of communication. Trivago's system is entirely digital. It encodes all information user currently hotel prices, availability into binary data transmitted across the internet. This allows for speed and accuracy that an alarm system simply can match. Trivago's communication system is a brilliant example of entropy. Entropy is chaos and uncertainty. Trivago, by organizing a messy data from internet, reduces our uncertainty. It takes a high entropy days the countless hotel options across the web and applies a process to create a low entropy, organized list for options for the user, and it brings order from chaos.
So, now we're going to explore Trivago's network structure. This system is a great example of a nested communication system. So, as you can see in the diagram below, Trivago doesn't just communicate directly with the end user. It sits within a larger network, acting as an intermediary. So, the first layer of communication happens between Trivago and various online travel agencies, or OTAs, such as Booking.com and Expedia. Trivago constantly communicates with these sites to pull the latest hotel prices. The second nested layer of communication is between Trivago and the user. The data gathered from the OTAs is processed and then communicated to us, the end users, in a clean, digestible format. This nested structure is crucial for its function. It allows Trivago to be a single, reliable point of contact for users, while simultaneously managing a complex, multi-layered digital network in the background. So, moving forward with our presentation, the Trivago's digital communication is a brilliant blend of four distinct systems. So, first, we can see that they have person-to-person communication. This happens when you use a platform as a tool to connect with someone else. For example, sharing a hotel deal you found with a friend via social media or email. Next, we have a person-to-machine communication. In this, the direct interaction you have with the system. It's when you, the user, type in your destination and travel dates, or you ask the system to find what you need. The third system that we can see in this diagram responds to machine-to-person communication. So this is when Trivago sends you information back, such as list of hotels, prices, and reviews you see on your screen, or a personalized email with a new deal. And finally, and most importantly, the entire process is powered by machine-machine communication. So this is the telematic core of Trivago. Its system is constantly and automatically communicating with hundreds of other booking sites like Expedia and Booking.com to gather real-time prices and availability, all happening behind the scenes without any human intervention. These four communication systems work together to make your hotel search simple and efficient.
Analysis of the type of marketing evolution. Finally, let's consider where Trivago's marketing fits into the modern landscape. Trivago has moved well beyond the product focus marketing 1.0. Its famous TV ads with the Trivago Guide were a form of storytelling, building a brand and emotional connection with the audience, which are hallmarks of marketing 3.0. However, where Trivago truly excels is in marketing 4.0 and 5.0. Marketing 4.0 blends offline and online channels. The TV ads build brand awareness offline and they drive people to the online platform. Once there, the platform uses data to provide personalized recommendations, aiming to become a travel advisor that understands the user needs. Marketing 5.0 Trivago simplifies your experience and it's focused on using technology to create a human-centric journey from search to booking. From the place it is real. The goal is to anticipate what the user wants before they search for it. It's a prime example of how digital communication and evolving marketing strategy work together to create a powerful brand.
So now I'm going to talk about like the levels of influence and consumer trends based on Euromonitor 2025. So these three that you see here are the ones that Trivago apply. So the first one that is Wizard Wallet is like about the consumer that is now spending like more strategically and consistently due to the economic situation and inflation. So in the past, people could make like impulsive purchase, but now they think more when they are going to spend in something. So Trivago now like it stands out in this aspect because it's focused on the consumer's financially well-being by allowing like them to compare prices or amenities and get like ratings from multiple providers in one place. So this allowed that the consumer like compare and make like the smarter purchase. The next one is filter focus. This one means that the consumer is like more like are looking for simplicity and precision. So when making a choice, they are thinking because today there is an excess of information and options in the web. So Trivago applies this by having like a platform that allows users to filter information according to what they are looking for, making like it easier to find exactly what the consumer wants. And the last one is IA ambivalent. IA ambivalent is like it refers of the use of IA or artificial intelligence in a company to improve like the platform. So Trivago sort and highlights the auto deals it believes are the best matches for each user and also have like this option of recommendations based on people search. This is how Trivago applies this last one that is IA ambivalent.